we have 3 pounds of goat meat here, and we're gonna season it up. First, I'm gonna use a little olive oil on it. To that, I'm gonna add some green seasoning. Just a little. Should have a spoon, but some green seasoning. I'm also gonna add some turmeric to that. Garlic powder. So the seasoning is from Tracy. I'm gonna tag her down below. This is some meat seasoning. I'm also gonna use the season to the bone, and the season to the bone I've been pimento seed, thyme leaf, pepper, and all the good things there. All-purpose seasoning. Top of curry. I use about half of that because I'm gonna use some Blue Mountain Country Jamaican curry powder, and this is the hot. So I have a next curry now. Hold on there. So guys, I almost forgot. So Mr. Mega try the season next time I use curry. But I use a little bit because I put enough on this already. On the thing there already, so I use just a little bit. Because I not even know if I gonna like it. So this is the brand. Now I'm gonna combine all of the seasoning them together. I want to know say 4 pounds of goat meat I'm buying, but I just me and my daughter, so I don't want to cook too much. The curry don't look too pretty, but I'm gonna burn some, so I guess tomorrow it will look alive. This kind of not look too pretty, you know, but this will come out with. So I just cover this with some cling wrap. So I'll put this in the fridge and tomorrow